All right, friends, so this is my curio cabinet, and we recently we had books in here, and we recently moved those to my TV cabinet and cleared that out because it had just a bunch of stuff in it that we didn't need. So I'm gonna go ahead and decorate this. I'm gonna do a little village. I got a new little village this year, and I'm really excited. So I'm gonna fill these shelves up. If you're new here, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Natalia, and I am a mom of 3 boys, ages 8, 4, and 6 months. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel. I like to create a lot of content like this, decorating and cleaning, and just real mom life. So this is the winter village I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. It was normally $60, but it was on sale for $40, and I had a $10 off coupon. So I only got it for $30, guys, and it came with all these little houses and trees. I thought it was a fantastic deal. I had originally bought stuff at Target, and each little house at Target was either $3 or $5, and it was just so much more expensive, and I thought this was really, really cute and much better priced. I set up the village on these top 2 shelves. I evenly divided the trees, and then I also had some extra silver bottle brush trees that I got at Walmart for a couple of bucks each. And so I just started placing everything where I could see that spaces needed to be filled. I got this little shelf that you see here on the right on that second shelf, and it is actually a spice rack from Dollar Tree. I thought it was a great idea to be able to add some different heights for dimension and everything, so I put that there and just putting things around and rearranging, and I was closing and opening the cabinet doors because once you close them you can't see some of the decor, so I just wanted to make sure that once you close the doors that you can still see things inside. So once I had everything where I wanted it, I covered up the shelves with some fake snow. This is like a roll. It's like a felt material of snow, and I just cut it to the dimensions of the shelf and put it on top, and that way I could cover my little spice rack up, and I just thought it gave a really sweet, special winter touch.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing?
I got these small flocked Christmas trees from the Target Wonder Shop. They're only $3 each, and I bought a bunch of them, and I have them all over the house, but I thought they would look really cute here.
These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes.
The set does come with little tea lights that you can put inside the houses, but the only drawback is that they are not on a timer, so you have to turn them on and off individually, which could be kind of a pain. But I am eventually probably going to put some of these little fairy lights and just spread them around and put them inside. I got this cute little white Christmas truck from Walmart. It's actually an ornament, but I took off the ornament hook and just put it on in the village, and I think it looks so cute and it matches so well. So I wasn't really sure what I was going to do with this third shelf, but as I kept on just playing around with the decor that I had, I decided to make it like a Santa themed. I put a little sleigh here, and I got this little sign from the Bullseye Playground at Target, sleigh rides. It's so cute. And then I also got these little bags. They're gift bags, but I stuffed them with plastic bags inside, and they look like little gift sacks, like Santa's sack of gifts. And so I thought it'd be cute to put them inside the sleigh like they were full. And then I also had a little Santa ornament that I got at Walmart, and I put him in there. So he is delivering gifts and offering sleigh rides.
Moving nimbly, did you hear hear something from the chimney.
So again, to add some height and different dimension, I got a cardboard box that I had left over and I put it underneath to raise the sleigh up. That way you can see it better. And I have this little tier tray that I got from Target in their fall line in the bullseye section. And I decided to make it like Santa's milk and cookies and do that thing.
Dream I knew this Christmas.
We will probably set these out on Christmas Eve for Santa. We'll have some carrots for the reindeer and milk and cookies for Santa. But for right now, I have it displayed right here. And I got this Milk and Cookie Co. sign from the bullseye section at Target as well. I did end up adding some little fairy lights to the second shelf and also to the bottom shelf. I had these little Target bullseye tree lights, but I actually ended up switching them out to do the ornament lights that I created. I made those in a DIY video. If you want to check them out, I'll link them here. But I am going to use these lights for something else. I love that I have an Alexa enabled light bulb in my curio cabinet, so I'm able to change out the color of the lights depending on how I want it to look. Right here I have it set to cool white and it just gives off this beautiful blue hue that makes it look like a little winter wonderland. But I could also change it to red or green or whatever color I want, which I think is really cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. I know a lot of you have already decorated, but I just really wanted to share this with you guys because this is the first time that I set up this village and I thought it looked so pretty, and you might be able to get some ideas for your own home if you don't have a little village set up. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and this is little Caleb's reaction. Do you like it, Caleb? Do you like it? Yeah? Is it pretty? Is it nice?
He loves it.